Introducing the Weed Whacker 3.0 Pro, a premium grooming tool designed to trim all the stray hairs your face creates. And there's a lot of them. Today, we'll give you some tips to fully take advantage of the skin-safe blades, 360 rotary dual blade system, and other slick features of your new trimmer. Let's see what we're whacking with. Tap the power button once to turn on, and once to turn off. Use the trimmer on your ear holes and nose hairs as needed. Don't insert too deeply or press firmly against the skin. It will hurt. Pro tip, attach the 2mm comb if you don't want to remove too much nose hair. If you're wanting to manage your brows, I'm looking at a lot of you fellas, you'll need to attach one of the length setting combs. Once that's secure, lay the linear blade and comb flat on your brow and gently move the shaver back and forth. As you move, the comb lifts the hair and guides them into the blade for an even trim. Those babies look good. Now that your unibrow is gone, turn off the trimmer, remove, and replace. For optimal performance and hygienic operation, the blade should be replaced every 3 months. It's also waterproof, so you can get this beauty wet. So you can easily rinse it off after a trim. Shake off the water and let it air dry before recharging. Don't charge if the device is still wet. When charging, the LED indicator will blink. You'll get a full charge in less than 60 minutes using a USB-C. Full bar on the LED will indicate a 100% charge. Let's say you're on the go and don't want your device kicking on in your carry-on. We've got you covered with the travel lock feature. Hold down the multifunction button for 3 seconds. To deactivate, just repeat that step. Trim away the strays, boys. You can thank me later. The Weed Whacker 3.0 Pro Nose, Ear, and Eyebrow Trimmer from Manscaped.